is calm, the ocean shining bright. The moon is dancing with the waves tonight. A gentle breeze is moving through the trees, carrying whispers on the island breeze. I see your smile beneath the sky so wide, and feel your love standing by my side. Every moment feels like a dream come true, because my heart has found a home in you. Take my hand, don't let me go. There's a special love that only we know. Through every season, through every day, our love will never fade away. Forever loving you under the stars. No distance can separate our hearts. Like the ocean flowing to the shore, I'll keep loving you forevermore. Forever loving you under the stars. You are my light when the night feels dark. One love, one heart, one melody. Forever you belong with me. Palm trees swaying to the reggae sound. Peace and happiness all around. Walking with you along the sand, feeling blessed to hold your hand. No treasure hidden beneath the sea could mean more than what you mean to me. Your love is warmer than the morning sun. A beautiful journey we have begun. Let the waves sing a love song tonight. Let the stars shine with their gentle light. Every heartbeat tells me it's true. My greatest blessing is loving you. Forever loving you under the stars. No distance can separate our hearts. Like the ocean flowing to the shore, I'll keep loving you forevermore. Forever loving you under the stars. You are my light when the night feels dark. One love, one heart, one melody. Forever you belong with me. When the morning comes and the sun appears, I'll still love you through the passing years. When the road gets rough and the journey is long, our love will remain like a beautiful song. The seasons may change, the tides may turn, but this is a love that will always burn. Like the stars that shine above the sea, your love will always shine on me. If the rain falls, we will stand together, holding on through any weather. True love is patient, true love is strong. A rhythm that keeps moving along. The ocean knows the promise we made. A love that will never fade. Because your love is here with me. Every sunset, every sunrise too brings another reason to cherish you. This island dream feels so right. Forever with you under the stars tonight. Forever loving you under the stars. Our hearts will shine wherever we are. Through every ocean, every sky. Timeless song under the moon, beside the sea. Forever loving you, just you and me. Your love feels like an island breeze, right? The morning sun is shining through, painting the sky a perfect blue. The ocean waves are calling my name, but nothing feels quite the same. Since you came into my life, you brought peace instead of strife. Like a gentle wind across the sea, your love brings comfort back to me. Every moment, every day, you chase my worries far away. With your hand holding mine so tight, you make my world feel warm and bright. Your love feels like an island breeze, moving softly through the trees, calming my heart, setting me free. Like waves dancing on the sea. Your love feels like an island breeze, a sweet melody of peace. One heart, one soul, one destiny. Forever you belong with me. Palm trees dancing in the air, a beautiful feeling everywhere. The reggae rhythm fills the night, everything around us feels so right. Walking with you along the shore, I find the love I've waited for. No treasure hidden deep and wide could match the love I feel inside. Let the moon shine on our way, let the stars watch us today. Every heartbeat tells the truth, my favorite song begins with you. Your love feels like an island breeze, moving softly through the trees, calming my heart, setting me free. Like waves dancing on the sea. Your love feels like an island breeze, a sweet melody of peace. One heart, one soul, one destiny. Forever you belong with me. When the storms come across the ocean and the skies don't look so clear, I'll remember your loving kindness and the reason you are here. Like the sun that rises each morning, like the tide that finds the shore, my love for you keeps growing more and more and more. No distance, no time, no changing day could ever take this love away. The island wind will always say, true love will find a way. To every season, every year, I keep you forever near. As the sunset colors fill the sky, I see forever in your eyes. A simple love, a precious thing, a song that makes my spirit sing. With grateful heart I proudly say, your love brightens every day. Wherever this journey takes us through, my island breeze will always be you. Your love feels like an island breeze, forever dancing through the trees, bringing peace and harmony. Like the endless My heart found home in you. Oh, oh. I was walking through the lonely roads, carrying dreams and heavy loads, searching for a place to belong, waiting for where my heart was strong. Then you came like the morning sun, a beautiful love, a brand new one. With your smile and your gentle way, you brought peace into my everyday. Now I know what love can be. You are the place where I feel free. Through every season, through every storm, your love keeps my heart warm. My heart found home in you. A love so pure, a love so true. Like the ocean finds the shore, I need you more and more. My heart found home in you. A dream I never thought came true. One love, one heart, one destiny. Forever you belong with me. The palm trees sway in the island breeze. The waves are singing through the trees. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a peaceful feeling everywhere. Walking with you along the sand, I feel blessed to hold your hand. No treasure beneath the ocean blue could ever mean more than you. Every sunrise, every night, you are my reason, you are my light. Every moment, every day, your love guides me on my way. My heart found home in you. A love so pure, a love so true. Like the ocean finds the shore, I need you more and more. My heart found home in you. A dream I never thought came true. One love, one heart, one destiny. Forever you belong with me. When the world becomes too heavy and the road is hard to see, I remember your kindness and the love you give to me. Like the moon that lights the water, like the stars that never hide, your love will always guide me, standing right here by my side. No distance can change what we feel. A love like this is always real. Through every high and every low, together is where we grow. The waves may rise, the winds may blow, but our love will always flow. Oh, oh, now the sunset stars shine above, the island sings a song of love. My heart was searching, but now I know I found my home where your love grows. Oh. Kiss me beneath the sunset sky. The sun is falling on the ocean blue, painting the sky with a golden hue. The island breeze is calling our names, whispering softly like a love refrain. Your hand in mine, walking on the shore, a beautiful moment I've waited for. The waves are dancing, the stars will appear, and I feel your love bringing me near. Stay with me, don't let this moment go. There's a kind of love only we know. Feel the rhythm, feel the tide, with you forever by my side. Kiss me beneath the sunset sky, where the ocean meets our eyes. Hold me close and let the world fade away. Stay with me until the end of the day. Kiss me beneath the sunset sky, where our dreams and hearts can fly. One love, one heart, one melody, forever you belong with me. Palm trees sway into the reggae sound, peace and happiness all around. The golden light shines on your face, making this moment a perfect place. No diamond or treasure could ever compare to the love and magic we share. The ocean knows the promise we made, a love that will never fade. Let the moon rise, let the stars shine. Tonight your heart is close to mine. Every heartbeat tells me it's true. My paradise begins with you. Kiss me beneath the sunset sky, where the ocean meets our eyes. Hold me close and let the world fade away. Stay with me beneath the sunset sky, where our love will never die. Every wave and every breeze carries our hearts across the seas. Kiss me beneath the sunset sky, forever you and I. One love, one dream, one melody, forever together by the sea. The sun goes down, the stars appear, but my love for you remains right here. The ocean whispers, the palm trees sway, our love will shine every day. Our love is a Caribbean dreaming. The morning sun is shining bright, golden waves are dancing in the light. The island breeze is soft and sweet, bringing your love closer to me. I was searching through the endless blue until my heart finally found you. Now every moment feels brand new, because my paradise is you. Take my hand and walk with me along the shore beside the sea. Let the world just fade away and keep this love forever today. Our love is a Caribbean dream, flowing like the ocean stream, underneath the tropical sky, where our hearts will always fly. Our love is a Caribbean dream, the sweetest place I've ever seen. One love, one heart, one melody, forever you belong with me. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, reggae rhythms through the leaves. The sunset paints the sky in gold, another beautiful story told. Your laughter is my favorite song, the place where my heart belongs. No treasure hidden in the sea could mean as much as you to me. Feel the magic of this night, stars are shining warm and bright. Every wave that meets the shore makes me love you even more. Our love is a Caribbean dream, flowing like the ocean stream, underneath the tropical sky, where our hearts will always fly. Our love is a Caribbean dream, the sweetest place I've ever seen. One love, one heart, one melody, forever you belong with me. When the seasons start to change and life takes us different ways, I'll remember this island feeling, the love that keeps our hearts believing. Through every storm and every rain, I'll hold your hand through joy and pain, like the waves that kiss the sand. Our love will always understand. Let the music play tonight, let our spirits reach the sky. The ocean knows the love we share, the stars can see it everywhere. No distance, no time, no passing day could ever take this love away. a Caribbean dream, brighter than the stars that gleam. With every heartbeat, every day, our love will never fade away. Our love is a Caribbean dream, the sweetest song my heart has seen. One love, one heart, eternally. Forever you belong with me. The waves keep rolling, the palm trees sway, love keeps shining every day under the Caribbean sky so free. Forever you are my dream. Oh. The evening sun is falling low, painting the sky with a golden glow. The ocean breeze is moving slow, taking us where the sweethearts go. Your hand in mine beneath the sky, I see forever in your eyes. The reggae rhythm starts to play, and all my worries fade away. Come closer, let the music flow. Feel the love that only we know. Every heartbeat, every sign tells me your heart belongs with mine. Forever dancing in your love, like the stars are shining up above, moving gently with the tide, with your love right by my side. Forever dancing in your love, a blessing sent from heaven above. One heart, one dream, one melody. Forever you belong with me. Palm trees swaying in the island breeze, sweet reggae flowing through the leaves. The moonlight shines upon your face, turning this night into a special place. No diamond or treasure could ever compare to the precious love that we share. Every smile and every touch reminds me I have found so much. Let the ocean sing our song tonight. Let the stars surround us with light. Every moment feels so true. My favorite dance is here with you. Forever dancing in your love, like the stars are shining up above, moving gently with the tide, with your love right by my side. Forever dancing in your love, a blessing sent from heaven above. One heart, one dream, one melody. Forever you belong with me. each day.